He'll drive normal a little bit, and then he goes nuts again. He's off the right side of the road. I can't tell if he's taking 472 or not. Yes, he is. He's going to go eastbound on 472.
Air 1's overhead, we have him. Still continuing 472 toward I-4.
Motor 40 to Air 1, you see me up here?
He just crossed over. He's in the opposite lane. No, I don't. I have my camera on him.
He's coming to you, he's on the wrong side of the road.
He's in the opposite lane, heading toward I-4. He's in the shoulder on the grass now. High rate of speed. He's coming up to MLK, slowing down a little bit in the grass. Maybe getting on MLK. Hang stand by. Looks like he's turning northbound MLK. Still in the opposite lane, northbound MLK.
How far is he from Taylor, Air 1?
Less than a mile.
Alright, I'm going to try to get up there real fast.
Okay, he's coming up. He's in the grass. Looks like he's trying to cross around you. Going up onto the sidewalk.
Everybody in I-4 at the Allen.
Okay, he's turning eastbound Orange Camp, back toward I-4. It's off the sidewalk. He's back on the Orange Camp. Okay, he's going into Lake Helen. It's on West Main Street.
Hey, Bravo 11, I'll put you on the call.
Everybody start getting to major intersections by Daytona State College, 44 I-4 and all that. We don't need this many cars trailing behind him. He has no idea where he's going.
Yeah, he's coming up to the intersection near Summit. Nope, he's making that little right. Stand by. It's that utility road that runs along the east side of I-4. Yeah, he's at the end now. He's back in the dirt trails. He's driving around a house. Just keep on coming all the way back if anybody's following. I think he's coming back out. Stand by. Yeah, he's coming out the way he came in. There he is, right there.
That's 6 by the college.
He's out on I-4 eastbound.
Yeah, through the fence, out on I-4 eastbound now. Red Subaru Crosstrek. It's moving to the outside lane now. High rate of speed. In the shoulder.
Yeah, that's going to be a no-go on the sticks. Too far.
All right. Looks like 95 northbound. Yeah, 95 northbound. Still continuing northbound 95. Okay, he's slowing up. He's in the grass. Looks like he's exiting on LPGA. And he's going to be west. Stand by. No, he's eastbound in the westbound lane, LPGA. He's back on I-95 northbound. He's entering I-95 northbound from LPGA. All right, coming up to Old Dixie. He's probably doing about 100, maybe a little bit more. And he's getting off Old Dixie. Eastbound, Old Dixie off-ramp.
Make sure you're over by the bridge in Ocean Shore. 34 again off at Old Dixie.
Okay, he's eastbound Old Dixie toward the Publix here. It's on North Beach now, southbound on North Beach.
I do not want stop sticks on the beach. There's too much traffic and too many pedestrians.
Looks like he's making a turn here. I don't have a street name. He just turned westbound. We're looking in the woods with the last place we saw him.
Homing is set up and hold it for K9.
You guys, a little bit of change of that house just to your north. He drove into that driveway by that house and then made a left into the woods in front of that house that you guys were just at.
Alright, there's a bunch of narcs here. If we get eyes on this thing and it's stationary, let's get some narcs together and move in, and let's do a tactical takedown of this guy with no mark units, and then we'll bring in some mark units behind it.
He's directly due west on the island from where you guys are on the dock.
Copy that. We'll have a dog on the boat here in a second.
He was crouched down, now he's standing up by a tree. Looks like he's shirtless.
And he's starting to move to the north a little bit.
So he's moving a little to the north.
Copy, alright. The dog and 3 guys are going in now, and the other guys are going to move to the boat and move to that end.
He's hiding behind a tree, peeking around a tree looking for you guys. Your dog's right by him. He's right beside you, canine. Right beside you, canine. Out your right side, your right shoulder. 5 feet from you, behind the tree.
Get on the ground now! Don't move! Don't move! Don't keep covering myself from here.
Get behind Lyman!
Yeah! I got this hand.
Stand by, stand by.
Other hand, got this other hand. Hang on, I'm gonna throw cuffs on you.
Hang on, stop.
Yep. Yeah.
I'm injured from a wreck.
Stop moving!
Hang on.
Right, turn now.
It's on my metal injury.
Oh.
Please help me, oh.
Oh.
Fix the dog, I'll fix it. Oh.
Hang on.
I got metal there. I got a hip rebuild.
Hey, when that
Hang
dog
on,
comes
stop.
up, you don't move, you understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Negative. Hey, now just stay back there.
Yes, sir.
Stop.
Please stop him.
You guys, just
We're working on it. Hang
okay.
on. Stop moving your arm,
I'm
man.
not
We're
trying
trying.
to.
Stop.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna move.
Everyone's like, he's 5 feet from you, and we turn the lights on, and he was 5 feet from us, literally. Good boy. You ready? All right, 5, knucklehead. Whew.